Please be upstanding and welcome Therese Tarlinton. Thank you.
How do you get your brand and your story out to thousands of your ideal customers?
You could increase the credibility of your brand and you could make more profit by differentiating. This is about marketing without money.
So how important are building partnerships when you're building a business and a brand?
It's pretty important.
So we see Nike and Tiffany, Gucci and Adidas. Even the Barbie movie had over 100 brand collaborations. Does the investment made in collaboration generate a worthy return? Unequivocally, the answer was yes.
So I want you to consider whether the piece that you're missing in your business is collaboration. Changing your marketing mindset so you will see opportunities for partnerships everywhere. I want you to see that these small companies can have a big impact. And it's fun. This is fun. You get to work with another business. They know and love your customer as much as you do. It's fun.
There's 3 ways you can do collaboration.
Match your strengths and skills with somebody else's needs. Other people telling your story is always going to be more engaging than you talking about yourself.
As someone who's worked for companies such as Nestle, Foster's and Goodman Fielder, I thought, what a great idea. If you're looking for an engaging, high-energy keynote speaker, I highly recommend that you book Therese Tarlinton.
I want you to have a curious conversation with somebody else in this room. I want you to leave here with a basket full of ideas and an impatience to execute them.